In this tutorial we're going to learn how to do the knit stitch. So this is the first stitch you learn. What you want to do is you want to have your work in your left hand and your needle in your right hand, and the yarn to sit at the back of the work. So I've already done a fair few rows already just to make it easier for you to see. What you do, grab the tip of the right needle, come from the left, and it goes in to the first stitch. You wrap the yarn around anti-clockwise, you pull the needle down and you pull it up and you take it off. So you go in through the left, you go around, you pull it down and then up once it gets past the left needle, and then off. So in, around, down, past that left, once it gets past it, you pull it up and then off. So you just keep on repeating this. Remember, yarn at the back of the work when you're doing your knit. So in, around, down, up, off. Your knit. So to distinguish the knits, you can see that they run vertically and they kind of look like little V's in there. On the other side, they're the purls, and I'll explain the purls in the next video.